Good everyone, the small teacher here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys logarithm under the subject mathematics. Logarithm. Now we have two types of logarithm. We have the logarithm with table. We have the log without table. The logarithm without table. Yes, the logarithm with table, the logarithm without table. But the one we're going to be learning in this video is the logarithm with table. Please feel free to take down if you'd like. And as I was saying, we are going to be treating the logarithm with table in this video. With table. The logarithm with table. Now, in the logarithm number, there are two parts that we have. The part of the logarithm number, the log number. We have the first one being the characteristics. The second one being the mantissa. Yes, have the characteristics and the mantissa in a logarithm number. And how do we know the characteristics and the mantissa in the logarithm number? We have this number 1.5479. This first number, the whole number, which is 1, is the characteristics, while this second number is the mantissa. The number after the decimal point is the mantissa, while the whole number is the mantissa, is the characteristics. Sorry. We have another example, about 3.8275. This number is the characteristics. This number is the mantissa. Now let us take an example. Let us look for the logarithm of this number. The first example, look for the logarithm of this number 15.47. Now for us to look for the logarithm of this number, make a table. Since it's logarithm with table, you have your column. We have 4 columns here, 4 rows here. The first row is going to house the numbers. The second row, we are going to be finding the standard form of this number. The standard form of this number. The third row is the mantissa. The fourth row will house the logarithm. Now, it's normally logarithm and number and logarithm. But these two extra rows are to break it down for you. We have 15.47. Now, the standard form of this number 15.47 is 1.547 times 10 to the power 1. If the decimal point of the number is going from the left, from where it is to the left, the power is going to be positive. But if the decimal point is going to the right, the power is going to be negative. So since the decimal point moved from here, the position it is to the left, the power is positive, which is 1. Now, to find the mantissa, you pick up your statistical table, your 4-figure table. You open to logarithm of numbers, or you could just use your calculator. In logarithm of numbers, you look for 15 log 15 under 4. 15 under 4. We have 15 here. Under 4. 15 under 4, which is 18 and 75. 1875. 15 under 4 is 1875. 1875. Difference 7. If you are using 4-figure table, difference 7. Now difference 7, under difference you look for difference 7. Now 15, trace it to difference 7. Difference 7 under 15 is 20. You are going to add your 20 here, plus 20. Here is 5, here is 9, 15 and 1. This is the mantissa. This is the mantissa. This is the mantissa of this number. Now to find the logarithm of this number now is, you take your power 1, 1.895. To find the logarithm, you first go to the mantissa and the standard form. The standard form, the power is this one. That is going to be your characteristics. Now, the mantissa is going to be the number after the decimal point. The power is your characteristics. This mantissa, the number after the decimal point. Now, this is a logarithm of this number. We succeeded in finding the logarithm of this number. Now, as we know, after finding the logarithm of a number, there's also something called anti-logarithm. Anti-log for short. After finding the logarithm of a number, you find the anti-logarithm. Anti-logarithm. And the logarithm of this number is 1.1895. Now the anti-logarithm. Pick up your four-figure table. Turn to anti-logarithm. Anti-logarithm of 18 under 9 difference 5. 18 under 9 difference 5. 18 under 9, you trace it to 9, which is 15, 1504, 1545. Now, 1545 difference 5. Here is 18. Difference 5. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 2. Plus 2. Here is 5. Sorry, here is 7. Here is 4, 1, 5. 1, 5, 4, 7. 1, 5, 4, 7. We've not found the anti-log yet. We use the mantissa to find these figures. Now we do not ignore the characteristics. The role the characteristics play here is to act as the power. This multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 1. This is this. Now the logarithm code. So as I was saying, this here, these characteristics, after finding the mantissa of the anti-log, which is this, remember there is always a hidden decimal point here. There is always a hidden decimal point here. After finding the mantissa of the anti-log, there is always a hidden decimal point here. Now, after finding this, assuming the mantissa was 2582, this is 5. The decimal will be here. Now, this characteristics, you multiply this by 10, raise it to the power of this one. This one is this characteristics. This one is this characteristics. If here was 2, here will be 2. But since here is 1, here is 1. Here is 1. Here will be 1 as well. Now, since the decimal point is here, to multiply this by 1, multiply raised to the power minus 1. Sorry, raised to the power of 1. Multiply by 10 raised to the power of 1. Multiply it, the decimal point will come here. from here, decimal point comes here because you're multiplying this by 10 raised to the power of 1. 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10. So this multiplied by 10 will become 15.47. What I said was we found the mantle of the antilog of this number. Now, these characteristics, multiply this by 10 raised to the power of 1. This one is this characteristics. Now, the mantle of an antilog, there is always a decimal point. Assuming this is 2587, decimal point will be here, just as it is in this one. So you multiply it by the characteristics, decimal point moves one place to the right. We will have it as 15.47. That is how to find the antilog of this number. The antilog of this number is still this number, still the antilog of this number. Now we've succeeded in finding the antilog and the logarithm of 15.47. If you want to take down, you can take down. Now let us solve a full logarithm. Now just an example. Now we have rules in logarithm. We have the multiplication rule, the power rule. We have the division rule and the multiplication rule, the power rule, the division and the addition rule. We have the 0.873 raised to power 3. This simply means 0.873, when we want to find the logarithm, multiplied by 3. We have 0.873. This simply means 0.873 is power 1 over 2, which is 0.873 divided by 2. If this is cube root of this, here will be 1 over 3, which will be divided by 3. That is all. The power rule and the square root, the root rule. If you're given a power, you multiply it by the power. If you're given a root, you divide it by the root. Square root is divided by 2. Cube root divided by 3. 4 to be divided by 4. And to solve logarithm, this is example 2. Let's say we're asked to find 0.8523 square root of this multiplied by 0.352 raised to the power 5 over 3.5872 raised to the power 2 divided by 3.522. Let's find the cube root. So we should evaluate this. What are we to do? First, draw your table. Let's draw your table. Here will house your number, your standard form. Here will house your mantissa. Here will house your logarithm. And this is where the logarithm and the operation will take place, the addition and subtraction, and the division. Now, let us add bar here. back to this. Now, I forgot to say something earlier. If the set multiplication, this multiplied by this simply means in logarithm, finding the logarithm, after finding the logarithm of this number, and finding the logarithm of this number, it's not going to be the same as multiplication. You're not going to multiply it, you are going to add it. Let us start solving. We have the square root of 0.8, sorry, the square root of 0.8523. Now, this can also be written as 0.8523 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now, the standard form of this number is 0.8523 times 10 to the power minus 1, sorry, from here to here to the power 1. 8.523 times 10 to the power 1. That's the standard form of this number. Remember, if it is going to the right, sorry, if it's going to the right, it is the minus, the power will be negative. If it's to the left, the power will be positive. Now, the mantissa of this number, you take your 4-figure table, you look for 85 under 2 difference 3. 85, here is 85, under 2 is 9304. 9304 plus difference 3, 85, difference 3, we have 2 plus 2 becomes 6039. So the answer of this number is 9306. And to find the logarithm of this number, logarithm of this number is bar 1, which is the same thing as minus 1, bar 1.9306. That is the logarithm of this number. We have not found the logarithm of the whole number, it's just the logarithm of 0.8532. We are not going to forsake this square root. And the square root is also raised to the power of 1 over 2, which is you divide this whole number by 2. How do we divide this whole number by 2? Dividing a logarithm is not the same as dividing a normal number. In the division of logarithm, there's something we call adjustment. To divide the logarithm is to adjust. It becomes 1.9306 divided by 2. To divide this number, you separate it first, plus 0.93, because 1 plus 0.9306 is 1.9306 all over 2. Now, power 1 or minus 1 cannot be divided by 2. Simply what you will do is you add a number here that will make this number divisible by 2. I add a number here, 2. The same number you add here is the same number you add here. Let's say we add plus 1 equals 2. Let's say we add 1 by 2. 1 here, so 1 by 2 plus by 2 plus 1.9306 over 2. If we add 2 here to the by 3 plus 2.9306. Added 1 here, it becomes by 2. You add 2 here, it becomes by 3. You add 2 here. Now 3 is not divisible by 2. So you add a number here, which will make it divisible by 2. So the number we'll add here for this number to be divisible by 2 is 1. It becomes, you add it here, it becomes by 2 plus. You add 1 to 0, 1 plus 9306, all divided by 2. First adjustment. Now 2 divided by 2 is by 1 plus 1.9306 divided by 2. 1.9306 divided by 2. Use your calculator. 1.9306 divided by 2 equals 0.965 to 0.965. Now after you've gotten these two values, these two numbers, you add them by 1.9653. This is the logarithm of the square root of 0.8523. Now, this is by 1.9653. We found the logarithm of this number. Now, to find the logarithm of this number, 0.35 is power 5. 0.352 is power 5. Now remember, any number raised to the power of 5, you multiply the number by its power. The standard form of this number is 3.52 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. If it was 0.0352 to be 1, 2, 3.52 times 10 to the power minus 2. But it's not that way. The mantisan, you go to your 4-figure table, or you could just find the logarithm of this number. The mantisan, you look for 35 under 2. There are no 4 digits after the decimal point, so there is not going to be difference. There will be no difference. It becomes 35 under 2 only, which is 5465. 5465. 54655 is the mantisan. Now the logarithm of this number is 5465 multiplied by 5. 5465 multiplied by 5. That is 5 times 5, which is 25. About 5 here. 2. 5 times, do your normal multiplication. Just to save us time. Sorry. Your power 1.543. About 1.5465 multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 2. 5 times 6 is 30. 2, 3. 5 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 5, 1. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. 6, 2. Now, 5 times bar 1. 5 multiplied by bar 1, or 5 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 5. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3 points bar 3 points bar 3. Now this is the logarithm of this number. We found the logarithm of this number. For the power, you add, you multiply it by the power. Now, the next number is this. About 3.5872 raised to power 2. About 3.5872 raised to power 2. Look for a standard form. The standard form is the standard form is about 3.5872 times 10 raised to the power of minus, raised to the power of 0. That is the standard form of this number. So we remove the bar. 3.5872 times 10 to the power 2. Now we look for the mantissa. The mantissa is, look the logarithm table, the 4-figure table. Look for 58 under 7 difference 2. 58 under 7 difference 2. Sorry. This number is stupid. Yeah, this is right. Look for 35 under 8 difference 7. 35 under 8, 35 under 8 difference 7. 5539 difference 7. 5539 plus 9. 5539 9. So the addition 9 plus 9 is 1, 4, 5, 5. Comes 5, 5, 4, 8. This is the multiple of this number. Now the logarithm of this number will be 5, 5, 4, 8 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. 6 carry 1. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 9. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 0. 1. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. That's 11. Sorry. 0.5548. That is 0, 1, this 1 here. Now 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. That is 1.1096. 1.1096 is the logarithm of this number. Now to look for the logarithm of the final number, I have the cube root of 3.522. Now look for the standard form of this. It becomes 3.522. That is the standard form times 10 raised to the power 0. Here, look for the mantis. That is 35 under 2 difference 2. 35 under 2. That is 5465 difference 2 plus 2. 5465 plus 2 is 5467. Your logarithm becomes your power 0. Do another adjustment because you are dividing. Becomes 0.5467 divided by 3. Sorry, 3 because it is root 3. Now, the first processing adjustment is separate the numbers. 0 plus 0.5467 divided by 3. And 3 divided 3. Divide this number. No. 0.5467 divided by 3. 0.5467 divided by 3 is 0.1822. 0.1822. 0.1822, which is also 0.1822. Here we have the logarithm as 0.1822. And after getting the logarithm of the whole numbers, all the whole numbers, you take the logarithm of this number plus logarithm of this number, which is by 1.9653 plus multiplication is plus the logarithm of this number, which is 3.6525. 3.6525. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 2 7. 6 plus 5 11. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay. Now 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Becomes 3.6178. That is for square root of 0.8523 multiplied by 0.352 is power 5. The next one for 3.587 multiplied, sorry, for 3.587 raised to power 2 divided by root 3. So the cube root of 3.522 is the logarithm of this number, which is 1.1096. Division is minus 0.1822. 0.1822. 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 2, 5. 0 minus 8, 0, 1. 10 minus, that is 2. Now, you take 1 from here, is 0. Here, 10 minus 1 is 9. 0 minus 0 is 0. This is the logarithm for this whole number. number under here. This is logarithm for this number here. Now we divide. Here, dividing here becomes 3 minus 3.6178. This division sign is minus 0.9254. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 2, here is 5. Here is 1. 11 minus 2 is 9. 5 minus 9 doesn't give 2. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. And this is the logarithm of this question. This is the logarithm of this question. Now to find the anti-log, this is logarithm, the anti-logarithm. This is 2.6924. The anti-logarithm is, put your anti-logarithm table. Look for 69.69 under 2 times 4. 0.69 is around here. 0.69 under 2. Under 2 is 4920. 4920. Difference 4. 4920. Difference 4 is plus 5. 4920 plus 5. There is 4925. Now remember, I told you this is an indivisible. There's a decimal point here always. And you multiply this by 10 raised to power 2. Now after multiplying by 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 2 is multiplied by 100. 1, decimal point moves 1, 2 places to the right. So we're going to 492.5. This is the anti-log of this number. This, we found the solution to this question given to us. With that, we've calculated fully the logarithm of this number, which is 492.5. So thank you so much for watching me. Please, if there's any confusion or anything you still don't understand, please feel free to let me know. I'll be open and always ready to make sure you guys understand. So see you the next time.